Yes, up for sale is a Kubota SSV75 with like 79 hours on it. This thing starts and runs like brand new. Always been garaged. Don't miss out on this beautiful skid steer. Comes with forks, great big bucket, forks. Crawl up in here. Everything looks like new inside. You can turn the key on. You can see it's got 73 hours on it, guys. Thing is like brand new. Never ever been used or left outside. Again, beautiful Kubota skid steer. Look at it all the way around. SSV75. Here's your chance to get a brand new tractor, like new.